just here at the Pioneer Valley Golf Club. We're going to give the building a bit of a wash out of Morani. You can see all the spiders' webs and dirt and mould build up over time. Ken's just giving it a bit of a broom around the windows, and I'm applying a little bit of pressure with our pressure washer to wash all the spiders' webs away. You see it comes up pretty good. The walls look really, really white now after we put our soaps and algicides on it. Got rid of the dirt. Under the eaves come up really well. There's a lot of lawn grubs, cocoons up there, and we've got them all off. You can see in this part where we've sort of cleaned and then where we've stopped, showing you the difference of how good we get the clean. You can see all the lawn grubs there and all the dirt. And then you can see the area where we cleaned just at the back there. There's the difference.